Hey there, financial friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you manage your money like a pro. Today, we're tackling a super useful feature: how to set up spending alerts on your American Express card. This can be a game changer for avoiding overspending, sticking to your budget, and even spotting potential fraud early. Let's dive right in. First, grab your phone or computer and head to the American Express website or open the Amex app. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's the gateway to all your settings. Once you're in, look for the Account Settings or Profile tab, usually found in the main menu or dashboard. Next, scroll down to the Alerts or Notifications section. This is where you customize how Amex keeps you in the loop. Click on it, and you'll see options for different types of alerts. Focus on the spending-related ones. Now, select Spending Alerts or Transaction Notifications. Here, you can set specific limits. For example, choose a category like dining, shopping, or travel, and set a threshold amount, such as $200. When your spending hits that limit, you'll get an alert. Decide how you want to receive these notifications. Options might include email, text message, or push notifications on the app. It's all about what works best for your lifestyle. After setting your preferences, hit Save or Confirm to activate them. And remember, you can always go back and adjust these alerts as your spending habits change. Why bother with this? It helps you stay mindful of your expenses, prevents surprise bills, and gives you peace of mind. If you're new to this, test it out with a low limit to see how it works. There you have it. That's how to set up spending alerts on your American Express card in just a few simple steps. If this tip helps you, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.